Alright, so now there are two things when you make an object. One is called declaring an object and another is called your instantiating an object. Okay. This is what is called a declaration. I have declared OB as of type calculation, which is a class. Okay. Now, if you do not instantiate your object, then what happens is that you cannot use the members of the class. Okay. So right now, how do you because you can do the declaration and instantiation in the same line, but let me show you two separate ways. So here I declared it first. Now I'll instantiate. Instantiate by like saying like this: OB equals to new. The word is new. Okay, so new, then this one, calculation. So now we can use, you can see that green line will go. Okay, in this one, that green line has gone. Okay, indicating that this is now an object which is ready to be used. Now, so I have just now created a class, I have put some members in the inside the class, and then I have created an object in the main which is going to use it. So notice, I say OB dot, okay, can you see all the methods over here? Okay, that apart from this there are some other things also, okay, which tells us about the properties and all those things of the class. But what is important is that first thing that I should do is that I have to call the input. So I click on this input and then it is expecting two things. Can you see this? A and B. So let's say I entered maybe 16 and another number is, let's say, 80, for example. Okay. So I have given some input to it. Now what do I call? The next one is the addition, isn't it? The sum. So OB dot add, I think, no? Add. Okay. So I call this add, which does not require any arguments. Then I call the OB dot OB dot, see, dot is very important here, isn't it? So here display. So did I get all the methods ready? Okay. Now of course you need that OB dot console dot readline just to pause the screen. Okay. But if I run it in command prompt, I don't need all these things. Okay. Since I'm running it here, so I need it. Okay. So console dot readline is just to pause. Now, isn't it a very clean code now? Isn't it? Now, main does not have anything. Isn't it abstraction? Do you really know how the input works? You don't care. Do you know how the add works? You don't care. You just call them and you are going to use it. So that's what is that class does. It abstracted your data. Let's run this program. And you can see the sum of those two numbers is 96. Okay. But the best part is that I don't care how it was adding, how the input was taking. Everything is handled by the class. You got the idea? So this is an example of a internal class where the class belongs to that entire so-called the same module. You got it? Okay. You can create many classes inside this. You want to create another class, just click on this one and then again you try another one class. Alright? So that's how you can do this one. Clear? Okay. So in the next thing, we will learn about how to create an external class. This is an internal class, and in the next class, we will learn about how to create an external class. Okay, thank you.